Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to show you my most effective way to remove backglass on any Galaxy device. So it starts off with heat, a lot of heat around the perimeter of the device. Not so hot that you're going to burn yourself, but you definitely want to make it where it's slightly warm to the touch. Then I'm going to use a combination of plastic picks, a metal tool just to gently open it, and then playing cards. So there's my playing cards. I want to use maybe 2 or 3 plastic tips. And then I'll use, say, an ice Essimo or a jimmy tool just to barely open up the side enough to sneak in a plastic pry tool. So I do that because the metal's so rigid where it ends up wanting to crack the back glass. Some people are probably better at this, but I found this method really effective. And then I use a playing card because then it can bend with that curve on the corners as well. So using the playing card, something a little bit more loose around the edges with that curved glass, at least in my experience, makes it where I'm less likely to break the back glass. So again, same method on the other side. Barely pry it open, use some plastic pry tools. Working the adhesive all around the edge. There is a fingerprint scanner on the back of this that I'll address at the end. So once you feel confident you're going to have this off all the adhesive, don't just rip it off. But as you can tell, I am just working this plastic pry tool around the entire perimeter, and you kind of feel it snagging on the adhesive. So I'm pretty confident I've gotten all of that off. I'm going to slowly open it, and you'll see the touch button there. It usually just comes disconnected. There's no bracket, there's no plate, there's no screws covering it. And once you remove that, you're good to go. Simple as that. Just make sure you apply your new adhesive on your replacement part so you can still get that water resistance. I still never guarantee that it is, but if you do a really good job of scraping off your old adhesive, reapplying it, then it should sit flush.